Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at another vintage Disney musical watch. This time we have the Tinkerbell edition. So we have Tinkerbell on the dial with a flower on the right side. And if we turn the watch around, we can see that this watch was made exclusively for Disney by Seiko Marketing International. So this is a Seiko watch. Seiko Marketing International is a subsidiary of Seiko, and we can see that the watch plays It's a Small World. So this is a very interesting watch. We have more variations of these particular models. We have, for example, one with Mickey Mouse. We have another with Winnie the Pooh right here. So all these watches come in different case sizes, with different songs, with different variations, different characters, and so on. The very cool thing about this watch is that it's made by Seiko, so you get that premium quartz movement quality. The musical function sounds pretty well. And here we have the crown at 3 o'clock, just as you might find on most watches. And above it, so at 2 o'clock, we have a button which will actually activate the musical function. So let's hear that together. So that was the music on this Disney Tinkerbell musical watch. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are interested in buying vintage musical Disney watches, make sure to follow the link in the description below or go to vintageradar.com, as we have hundreds of vintage Disney watches for sale, and we also have a musical collection where you can find some very neat and rare pieces. Thank you guys, and see you next time.